Nakagomete to gocha.
Inkinta gocha.
Metaye. Eke mambi you have moods. Kego ikamara kwa bo change. Yani onge chameleon. Tuni koma nyere dikerengo konyora kolebia. Na kerengo konyora kwa wate mood swings.
No. Squeezy na tiga mangana mangana. Squeezy
you're good.
When I'm talking the branch, we have a good time. Yeah, no matter what, I don't have to see my dad. Perfect.
So spona your dad, you're good. Lakini umeze tabia ye no bwana hata by the remote we karas tu. Oba the father daughter relationship mwa but oira na kwa daddy's girl.
Muga kole nto akorona.
Wana rende si unimbwana hata by the mete dress ya ambora rimna to ate dress.
Because we were wearing, this was the theme.
By the dress yambora, I think we need to go to Edu Kendeon's to just pick a dress because nchena check my closet. Chi dress imbwata is more than 100 but endete o yango. Okay, serero. So maybe si ini ile uliniambia ilikuwa gorete Edu Keria Instagram.
Yeah.
I think maybe
by the way, I didn't expect go chere in this quality.
Yeah. I think we should go to that place. But no, again tonke na tawote. Kwamboka is finishing me. Silali sipumui sisinzi. Kera chinsa Kwamboka ananipigia.
Do you know Kwamboka threatened my life?
I know.
Kwamboka ga ntebin kongitare.
Nchabona ngote nincha somera ga soke sabanta ga ntebi. Na you gave me money nkagole gali.
Kwamboka ga ntebi. It's either mbeke wheelchair.
Yeah.
Osango the next time we see each other. I get 2 days.
Akora mami mochari.
Kwamboka tinta hivi kama barabara. Kwani naona serikali itabu atia madeni y'abantu.
I know.
Umuntu ata ko mbekira obwo bayigoro ya 1 million surely.
But I think it's just stupidity. Kwenye watara manya what level you are. Na ndo maita explain to wanga matena. No Trubena iga. It's just that some issues chibe siye she will give you the money. Wapi. Bona lia tawokira orore kumbe. Actually, Kwamboka ago nchala 24/7 ako ndiki ako ngebereri. Yani my phone kera chinsa noko ntomera chi voice note ananitumia watu wanibembeleze ngo kwanere. By the way, I feel like at this point mwabera ga ki story yere ga ki Trubena.
Kwamboka atalia na asage meno kwanza. Mpaka nche kuikaranza nkwana na Kwamboka iga. Let me tell you the truth. Tima think yara kwa igara ense gose chake we kurura iga manye kora gose ni mwabere because enge nchomo isuko you attached yani onye tima think actually okanganga kyomet.
I know she has temper issues na ende kine kigento kiragere Kwamboka maybe tanyara angongarare if not for her temper angongarare. Anyway ga kinche nabona nkora buna you just forgive her. By the way, she's going through a lot. Yakoro kane project ye yarete say company, you know. She invested all her money. Bunarega she's zero.
I know, I saw
zero. No matter zero. Ile too flat. Bono, I just want us to run back to our friendship. I just suggest Trubena, you just forgive her. Omo abere, omo sainerie chibesa chiri zitoke tukakira na because the way she's suffering, bonange ntakana. I feel I'm pleading because mimi mwenyewe natete kora Kwamboka sibosibwane but she has explained. I know where she's coming from and please gaki mwabera etoko story.
Maite mosko nango sera.
I know,
you know,
I know.
I try to explain my situation.
Yes, I know.
Akamanya con rubbish in my face.
I know.
Making me look like I'm nothing, bana. It's
unforgivable.
It's unforgivable when umonta goche so was manya go rubbishing in chobne, you know. And then bono ga expect bono nche I go out of my way ngende mo korregen tata ite why?
I know what she did.
As much as I thought I'm not correct when they to my queer and top of friends like we were before.
Yeah.
I think I would say it's possible because she actually told me she wants us to be strangers. So I say yata to be strangers, tika to be strangers, eh? Kero munta kore mtopia kero munte tachere. Sindio? Esisti ba sia itiregali tika kanyeri to konko igu koira negas na ni tari very soon because to my I'm not going back to work.
Yeah.
Eh? Akanya na incheri to konko igwa ngende manye kora go seni sok chibe sage. Eh? In the meantime chitiganya ko morige chibe sia.
No, Trubena, what you can do mwabere and then you see what to do katika iga. Maite bine Biswahili, no matter toje twake Biswahili. you take advantage of the situation na yo rebna how you can deal with reading iria yo bwate. So I just feel tu umwabiri
daktari wakili
ya ngiri ngiri
kwani to manyeti
sura ni nyaje tani
ngoro kuna umenda biyande ena abokire iga utaraga bisi kuchichensa iga akega sina cheko na yo kwa musa no yo kubuga mau.
No, the last time tualenga na Ntiago, you were working with your artists.
No, na alenga lakini na vile mtoto mnemba nitenye Nairobi ora na kina cheko yake babo.
No, but then you go for it as Ntiago, that's a job.
Yeah, akabesa ngai saini na inoroche Kenya sai uchumi ya vile una ya vile ono weka ngoro barua barua boisane na
Igono moteti nga watigite gasi ose kenengera roche motari konte.
Na maite mintigete gasi. Posa nero gete ngatige gasi.
Yakagara.
Na magosa nara make lakini rende ereta tete kwa bera monto lakini atikete gasi.
Karama gosa beire, igonya magosa beire gonga ki don't seek any other employment igo koraki. Magosa ya kwa solve kwa makoraki.
Ugono tatete na ono bunga bera ngamote byanga bera kabata ga search.
Igongento kyo korate.
Tari gento kenene. Magosa tu kawaida.
No, if you cannot work in a family setup, how can I trust in egasi gaiga?
Kogera yoro musanyo na bongo kolegas.
Makikori gas na chiana kwa kulikianga chinga cha maskani yake karokuri gas
na kina chera onge gas ngende ndi na nyore chipesa ngende were ne moino echire lya meno ga ngore chiaga chegas kwa saya yo kora nge gas nyore chipesa ngende ngore chianga na bindo bindega
unless andiaga kwa liruwe recommendation letter mako sasa ngenjo
ina kibona ngako ngari ruwe Kubosa nayo manyene gasi ikiliniki nekiao. Ngerenga kibona gusikana nekiliniki kiao.
Tindo chinga niko trust ni to kunyara kwa gasi na family setup.
Ngi kibona utantrust.
Asingi njokera ko tani magosa na kwa kata I'd like to know magosa kia.
Magosa makeigo. Na magosa makeigo.
Bono you do this. Ega asinero abamoko. Atimi Wekana kwa na kitu pansar made kitu mtu sikaini tu amanyana makenda mbesa.
Osta wanja.
No. Wekana ngoge anihinga kwa gas. I must ask her. Ndi ma kwa gas because I have to know what secure you. You know you are a child I have seen bro. Mama,
Kisii ni mwana. Na vile mtu mwana anafanya na weteni. Ndio mwangachi pesa kama tuko na kazi.
No, I cannot give you money.
Yeah, ngai pesa.
What is not what it is.
Osonge ndio ngobona kama tulikuwa na pesa kwa takiri ngende ne mate gari kuna biski bali chaki kupima kana.
That is irresponsible. Lakini kwa telinga.
Ngabo ne besa.
Tunongi kikokana tu kaluzi yo igasi ya gas kwa kwa gas.
Karanga ya besa ndarari rakende nore no nasingo chana to. Tomanya gukuikira gutuchwa te byanti. Tosana ne kuwabera na inda manya ko ngari ruwe byo ne no ninas.
I am not giving me a job number. I will have to call Kemuntu and tell him why you stopped working.
Aya, bono kana mwakira bono kabe boyfriend yani. Kuanga chipesa.
What do you say?
Ile kabe boyfriend yani kuanga chipesa. Oso mo tegera bate boyfriend ko mwari chipesa.
Mwana mtu ni mrongo.
Biapi.
Are you even listening to yourself?
Yes. You're my boyfriend.
Your man I want to go kina what are you saying?
No mwana ya yo chichi no mwana. Uno ni gereti kancho no mwana.
I'm not going to deal with it. Wana kereke mutesi mwana kusoka yana yangu akira mubuli ngikya be no mwana oyo. Ule ngicheka bile.
Aya ngabo no na fya yo kanyende kuchi.
No way.
Ogere na tara dambe na bokera gaika.
I want to call her muno korwaiga.
Sawa ko mwani kutara ni fya rende.
I have to tell her mtu wachakira kwa town.
Aya bono ngefya bono swaki.
Nitagete kuti mtu wachakira kwa dara. Umate Nairobi yema tabange ba gute gusi. Ya.
Ono tetembe kuna bara. Wandiri negas. Kuangira kwa beko
I want you to go back. Asike mtu. You apologize as a mistake wako. If she's taking you back akwirina segasi. If she refuses, then I will call her confirm ngwa.
Ndinye bigimba kwa mtu kwa ncho sababu kwa.
I am not doing that. I do not trust you anymore.
Sawa. Okonyora chipesa mwinini. Wochia.
Wow.
Onye ndiri Kwamboka are very sincere ni apology yayo kangochiro nkwanire me in person. Esa rio monto obogima bwa iwa bete threatened mo bwane. Ninche.
Yeah.
So she should come talk to me herself. If she has something to say, she says it to my face. Aya. Kemte kwa mbangero mwesko yache ko
Trubena gaki tafadhali Trubena. Gaki please. Please gaki Trubena tafadhali yaki nisamee yaki tafadhali. Tafadhali yaki sikuwa ninajua ke mtu na wako kote. Na tagete please yaki naomba tu nisamee yaki please gaki.
Ego kwa kaitenche ningo gotene no go nkwanera mnota. Who did you think I was?
I'm sorry. Sorry. Yaki 4 million chana yaki chisirere ime.
Tikachira abero.
Yeah, nchiko nyara kobera
Skwago chari. You know, I will give you your money. I said I will give you your money. Okomanya ko imeko gonte binko ngitore you want to put me in a wheelchair because you thought I was a nobody, si ndio?
Hold. Nifanyanga mabajo hapa na tunawajua. Weka vizuri, wanaoni.
Aki Trubena aki nisamee aki 4 million chiana aki tafadhali na ibwe koransa ineri nande no manyete please.
Wanonye ndiyo rocho mbeke wheelchair. Gosto ngita buna gwatagete ngore gocho bona assume gwankore ngogocha gosainya masakarari.
Aki timba tikende ata usike muntu kwerestira aki I am very sorry.
Ekerenche na kweresete. Paka ke muntaga kweresa. Did you listen? Did you listen? So why should I care? Why should I care about what you want? Why should I care?
What happened? You guys know you are my friends. Mnajua biashara yangu vile imeenda. Kuna mzigo wangu kwa Mombasa. Akirocha batagete 2 million nyara ko nyurusi ororo. Please aki Trubena nago so. Endo tugiyoka gukora no gonsaineri gweka iga. In fact, after your 1 million I can give you time you look for it. Forget about it. Yo ni kitu ya kitambo. Wone yento kaya no kegera ngatonza ineri gaki. Aki ke muntu montebe gaki. Aki montebe aki Trubena gaki ngabere. Trubena. Ke muntu gaki montebe gaki. Ke muntu why you quiet?
Ena koretire we explain. Nchore dio mete na matebiri so even to work or meeting caring again gaki. It was something so big.
Threatening my life. Nje, you threatened my life.
I'm sorry gaki.
Mono nyandiri akwa ngongo go signerire.
Akintanyore dente bugi mabwane ngo sarika bore pi amadeni mbwata abantu batete ko mbwata they will kill me. Please gaki Trubena say something. Please signer tu. I know na go tebe tie vinte vive na ndetari. Taringa tie na renge serious in short. Sikwa serious. Please Trubena.
Amaite, neri mbwata mabera. Neri ndo monto mbwata mabera. Mbwata mabera ukango ai taki monto kwa berupi. I know monto mobe. Lakini because I know who I am. And I'm a nice person. In fact, then now I'm to baraka going to talk to you sensa.
Akinende nsaine gaki please. Can we go hata kama ni saa hii unisainie tafadhali?
Amaite, gen don't target tikero. Kigen don't anchi tino kwa ku pressure. No ni gasi na tike saiye ko nga pressure. Bone kero go chanande kwante ibono tete ko nga chinsa. Unankwenda kusainia masakara. I don't like that.
Tari pressure gaki Trubena please. No. I have 3 days once yekere nyomba. Very possessive Ariane. Ebi asara biane nkwera bire. I know no muntu muyona nanto de tionsariri bugima. Please akitafadhali. Tafadhali gaki situende tu nisainie ke mtu gaki motebi ganjire ko ngabera rende to gonsaineri.
She's listening.
Oma tena aligeria masakarari. I looked at the papers and I know for a fact a quotation ilikuwa enanete gari. The profit you made is a lot more than what you should. Oroche kiroko supply bintu bya 1 million kama yagoro 3
million.
Oroche ne company ata tutatu you want to destroy my family's nini?
Na the right process nga apply nkanyora tende you. What do you mean? You want community?
Because kwa ile story chinge, let me just say this once. Kendo to kora like amasakara na nchiri. Nkoira na ndo obisingenda sign.
Asante.
But egento neki. Chibes chiri koros kurwali no roje you're making too much money from
million.
No,
it's not
that is a lot of money. From $1 million you make 3 million. Kwani ayo taite 300%. Okuno koibere company atada. E company atada taite koibera. Tari no mangete tenda. No, ikatoko ndale. What you do is this.
Akiko mu tebeli.
Ngosokinde chibesa. A profit ya to kopaka 50-50.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Trubena, surely.
50-50.
Surely 50-50.
Yes,
50-50 and I have invested my money a capital neane. Abantu ngwaka nande 50-50. Igonkwa 1.5.
Yes.
Nerali 1.5.
Hey.
Tali bobereni.
Aki mtu mpaka enoko anegonga taribo 1.5 million.
Lika chigo
It's just 1.5 million.
Sira rende.
Orochi chibesi chirasira chonsi.
Akira onanya 1 million please because problems mbwate chitageta even more than that 1.5.
Orochi already owe you 1 million. Ngokonga 1 million chekina again.
Ni sawa inoni mwatavire go ni sawa na ndio yonsi I can make money in future but
lika chigo siraro bono.
Kimto akia asante.
You are welcome.
Let me go back home. Sijui kama unaweza ni drop as we go.
Yeah, yanto bwata stoko raenda. We have an out we are going.
Oh, which out kama zile zilikuwa tunaenda ma? Can I come?
Mna ira kini ya tofauti yake. Ene tofauti. Tiga toraika next time mtoko involved. Tulo chintu wako bange tuna need dress code.
Sa bono. Nwati miga bora nkonya. No ngoteba. No gwate emiga bora nkonya.
Emi yake.
As in you know guys, I carry my money in the other bag. So nimekuja nikapata I didn't carry the money in my bag and my
yani ngapi wacha ikie bag imekuwa ratibu dress.
Okay, I can even show you if you want. Sina nini. Sina okay, I will refund. Nita refund si eti ni
mia. Anyway, nitakutumia.
Sawa, asante basi.
Haya bye.
Nikichukua pikipiki
nitakutumia, don't worry. Nitakutumia. Si ni 100 bob pekee. Ama ulimaanisha 100k? Si 100 bob.
Ni 100 na sawa.
Okay, I'll send. Bye. Can you imagine? The audacity. Oh. My God. Yvonne, when you get to this point, just take poison and die. Trubena,
from demanding for $1 million to asking for 100 bob. Shillings must be sad.
Take poison and go visit Abraham and Noah. No, whatever. Let's go.